India's Su-30MKI jets to get Super 30 inches upgrade with all Indian tech, boosting air power and self-reliance. Upgrade replaces Russian systems with 51 Indian components. Completion in 3 years may set precedent for other Su-30 operators. Russia proposes co-producing Su-57E fighter jets with India and UAE. UAE seeks Su-57E after suspending F-35 talks, while India's AMCA faces delays. Co-production would share costs, benefits, and export opportunities. India may reconsider its earlier stance. This signifies Russia's new approach to international defense partnerships. Chennai-based MRF is expanding into the military-grade tire market by developing tires for Rafale M and TEDBF fighter jets. This follows their successful development of tires for MiG-29K, Su-30MKI, Tejas, and other military aircraft. The company is committed to providing the Indian Armed Forces with the best tires for their demanding needs. Indian Army's Lieutenant Colonel Sukhoi unveils AI-powered ASTRAE scope that detects targets at 300 meters and calculates optimal firing trajectories, aiming for one-shot, one-hit capability. This technology improves accuracy, saves ammunition, and enhances soldiers' and units' effectiveness. ASTRAE marks a significant step in modernizing Indian military technology. Quadcopters with Lunenburg lenses mimic own helicopter fleet's radar signature, deceiving enemy radars. Launched strategically, they create false impressions of helicopter presence, serving as decoys or diversionary tactics. This low-cost system reduces risk and enhances battlefield awareness. Future developments include integrating with existing systems and miniaturization.